Kiddyzuzaa. Oh, I'm so excited! Why? What's happening? Seriously? You don't know? No, what? Today's the day the new princess joins our club! Which new princess? ELENA of AVALOR! No one told me! She's going to be here any minute now! Oh, that's exciting! I wonder what she's going to be now. We should get her a present to welcome her. Yeah, good idea! A surprise egg! I'll magic one up for her. Oh, it's red and sparkly with a big bow on top. I like it. Oh, she's coming! Hi! Hi, ELENA! I'm ELSA. Nice to meet you. And I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Wow, what a nice clubhouse you have. Yeah, this place is amazing. I'm so pleased to join this princess club. It's so amazing. Yeah, you're welcome here anytime. You're one of us now. Wow. Come and sit down. We have a nice welcome present for you. Oh, is that for me? Oh, wow. It's amazing. Can I open it? Yes, open it. It's in my favorite color. And I really love this bowl. Wow. It's me. What a lovely dolly. It's beautiful. Do you like it? I absolutely love it. I'm glad you like it. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. A frozen egg. I love frozen. Yeah, me too. A Disney princess egg. A Minnie Mouse egg. A Kinder Surprise egg. A Barbie egg. Wow, so many eggs. And a surprise egg. But I want to open my doll first. Come on, get her out. Oh wow, I just love her. Hi, I'm ELENA of AVALOR. The doll is magic? She speaks and moves. I just love being a princess. And I just love ruling my kingdom. She sounds just like you. Now come on, let's open these eggs. Which one shall we open first? I think the Barbie. Open that Barbie egg. Wow. A Barbie sticker. Look, Dolly, a Barbie picture frame. I can put this in the Barbie dream house. Oops. What did you get in that one? A cookie. Oh, it's a spinning top. Ooh. Ooh. This one now. Ooh, thank you. Stickers and more candy. A frozen keychain. Look, Elsa, a keychain of you. Wow.